In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Dropbox link with non-members using this complete 2025 guide. Imagine you've got a file, a photo, or even an entire folder you wish to share from Dropbox with someone who doesn't have an account. Well, worry not, because today we'll walk you step by step through this easy process. And by the end of it, you'll be able to share your files with anyone, account or no account, in a seamless manner. To start, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. Open up your preferred web browser and go straight to dropbox.com. Once there, if you haven't already done so, sign in with your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your main Dropbox interface. Here is where all your files and folders are neatly organized. Browse through your files until you find the one you're interested in sharing. This could be anything from a single document to a whole bundle of folders containing your latest vacation photos. Now, once you have located the file or folder, hover your mouse over it. You will notice a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign appear next to it. That's the share button. Click on it. When you do this, a pop-up window will display on your screen. Here you'll find an option to copy a link. Tap on this copy link option. If there hasn't been a link generated for this file yet, Dropbox will promptly generate one for you. Don't worry, this happens almost instantly. Once you have your link ready to go, the next step is distribution. You can choose to send this link via email, drop it in a chat with your friends, or even share it across your social media platforms. It's entirely up to you how you want to get that link to whomever it's intended for. The beauty of this link is its accessibility. Thanks to Dropbox's generous sharing policy, your recipients can view or download the content without needing to log into any account. This opens up a bridge of sharing with tremendous ease and flexibility. In summary, with just 3 easy steps: signing into Dropbox, copying the shareable link, and distributing that link to your recipients, you're now equipped with the ability to share your Dropbox content widely, ensuring everyone you want to reach can easily access what you've chosen to share. With this guide, you now hold the power to bridge digital divides, sharing effortlessly and inclusively. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide. Happy sharing, and see you in the next video.